When talking about power equipment, you might not know that in Shanren, Fuzhou City, there is an advanced factory that provides the smart cards for an entire city.
今天让我们带大家一起去看看理发店里。So basically, this company has all of its information compiled right here, and it is super advanced. All the information that is compiled here makes sure that each and every single order is taken into consideration with the right quantity, the right amount, and how the right requirements are for each and every single machine. What do you think about this?
Yeah, these machines are just talking to each other.
It is absolutely amazing how these machines are able to create such specific parts for the transformers and the high capacity voltage boxes. Every single line you see, every single sheet of metal you see is specifically designed for those transformers and the equipment that IFA is currently making. This right here is a marvel of a design. This is a American type substation, and this one is being shipped out to the Sichuan province, and you can tell that by this cute little panda on this substation. This just adds so much human feeling to this machine. What can I say? China's development is only an opportunity for the world.
全年鼓励，活力成人。